Hi everyone, I'm really excited to go to Shilparamam today. It's a little craft village in the city of Hyderabad where craftsmen from all over the place come and show, display and sell their work. I will leave you a tip at the end of this video that will save you if you're planning on visiting here. The gate of the complex is actually really grand. Two huge sculptures on both sides. But first, you need to get tickets for entry, which is 50 rupees INR. Yay! So I got free entry for my camera, which is a small point and shoot. But if you are thinking of visiting with a DSLR, you would have to pay 500 rupees extra. That's quite high, right? So this is not my first time coming here, but I'm always excited to see the new things they bring into this complex. When you walk in, you would find it is a pedestrian pathway with stalls on each side, and that creates a shaded walkway, which is great because with a climate like Hyderabad, it gets difficult to walk in the sun. So the first stall that caught my eye was this lady who was selling hand embroidered bags and purses of different kinds and varieties. So I think I blew my entire shopping budget in the first stall. Don't do that. Explore more and figure out what you want to buy, even if you have to retrace your steps a bit. I came across this cute little stall selling handcrafted metalwork items, mainly made out of iron and brass. So it depends on your budget really if you want to buy some of the cheaper ones which are smaller in size and different kinds and varieties, even lamps for that matter. But my favorite part of the complex is the woodwork section. I mean, come on, can you imagine all these things? Clocks, vase, daily use items, all these things came from a simple block of wood. So according to the stall owner, the prices of these items vary according to the material they are made in. There are different types of wood that they have carved it into. Teak wood being the pricier, harder, more durable ones. And then there's mango wood, which is a more affordable version of teak. So if you're on a budget, I would recommend the mango wood. But personally, I really like teak wood because it has a natural dark color. But you can buy whatever you want, right? So there was also this shop which were selling handmade toys which were made by the locals around Hyderabad. And there was also this one guy from Kashmir selling pashmina shawls. Pashmina is fine cashmere wool if you're into that. I was not really impressed by the jewelry section though, because you can see these in any place in India, in any street markets. So yeah, I kind of skipped over that. But something you cannot see everywhere was this stall that was selling lampshades. These are leather lampshades, hand painted. But I'm not really sure how you're gonna carry them. And my tip of the day is, if you're planning on visiting here, bargain as best as you can. Do not get ripped off. See you next time. Bye.